Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm going to show you how you can flip different progressions. I'm going to show you this progression to give you an example. We all know the song Come Just As You Are. Come just as you are. We know that's 1, 5, 4. So we know what the melody is. Come just as you are. Right? So we can play, instead of the 1, 5, 4, we could play 4, voicing it this way. Come, we're still having the melody. We could play now just as, still having the melody. U, which is a 6. And what would we play for R? The R is C. So we're going to find another chord that has C at the top. We could play a 2. You're saying 2, but this is 2. That doesn't have C. But if we voice it this way, so now we have come just as you are. We could play the sharps, the flat 7. So come just as you are. So instead of come just as you are, everyone knows that. Come just as you are. We could even do the 4. Come just as 4, 3. So we can play the 4, 3 because we're keeping the same melody. We're just changing up the progression. So just come just as you are. So we have this. We could play this chord on the 2 because we have the melody here. We could also play come just as, if you can stretch this, you could play this 5 voicing. You see how I'm changing the voicings, but it's still working because the melody note is keeping the progression. So this 5, if you're playing it rootless, you could play it this way or this way. So come 4 just as. This is over the 5 as you 6 you are. It doesn't matter what you want to do, even in the middle of it, the melody is still there. So come just as you are. Flat 7. You could even start on the 6. Come just as 1 as you. Look at this. R. Right? You could even start on come 3 just as you are. So guys, it doesn't matter what you want to play. The important thing is the melody note. That's how you can change the progression of the song to something different by keeping the melody note and thinking about how can I voice different chords to actually have this melody note on top. Look at this. I'm going to take a chord from out of this C major scale. Look at this. Come just as you are. So we're playing the sharp 5 or flat 6. Come 6 come just as you are. Here, your spirit call. So we're borrowing chords from out of the scale. So guys, give this a shot. Just think about the melody note, whatever song you're playing, and try to think outside of the box, outside of the regular progression, to think about how can I voice different chords, create different progressions, but voice the chord to have that melody note on top. Just give it a shot, guys.